Are you looking to boost your Dell PowerEdge 2953 server's performance? Look no further than the CMS 16GB, 8x2GB, DDR2 5300 667MHz ECC fully buffered DIMM memory RAM upgrade. This memory upgrade kit is designed specifically for servers, offering enhanced performance and reliability for your demanding applications. With its DDR2-5300 specification, running at 667 MHz, you can expect a significant improvement in your server's multitasking capabilities and overall speed. The kit comes with 8 2GB modules, providing a total of 16 GB of RAM. Each module is a fully buffered DIMM, featuring 240 pins for a secure connection and optimal performance. The use of ECC, error-correcting code, technology ensures data integrity by detecting and correcting memory errors, making this kit ideal for critical server operations where data accuracy is paramount. One of the standout features of this RAM upgrade is its guaranteed compatibility with the Dell PowerEdge 2953. Computer Memory Solutions ensures that this kit will seamlessly integrate with your server, eliminating the guesswork and potential compatibility issues that can arise with other memory upgrades. This level of assurance allows you to upgrade with confidence, knowing that your server will benefit from the enhanced memory capacity and speed. In terms of reliability, the CMS 16GB DDR2 5300 667 MHz ECC fully buffered DIMM memory RAM upgrade is backed by a limited lifetime warranty when purchased directly from Computer Memory Solutions. This warranty reflects the manufacturer's confidence in the quality and durability of their product, offering you peace of mind and long-term support. The installation process is straightforward, and once installed, you will notice a marked improvement in your server's performance. Applications that require substantial memory resources will run more smoothly, and overall system responsiveness will be enhanced. This upgrade is particularly beneficial for servers running virtual machines, large databases, or heavy-duty applications that demand consistent and reliable memory performance. Visually, the appearance of the RAM modules may vary, but rest assured that the performance and specifications will meet the described standards. The kit's 667 MHz speed ensures that your server can handle modern workloads efficiently, reducing bottlenecks and enhancing productivity. In summary, the CMS 16GB DDR2 5300 667 MHz ECC fully buffered DIMM memory RAM upgrade is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their Dell PowerEdge 2953 server. With guaranteed compatibility, ECC technology for data integrity, and a limited lifetime warranty, this memory upgrade offers exceptional value and performance. Upgrade your server today and experience the difference that quality memory can make. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.